Imagine a secret hidden in plain sight, buried beneath our very feet. A secret so powerful it could transform our world, yet so threatening to the established order that it had to be silenced. This isn't a work of fiction. This is the story of a soil catalyst so effective, chemical companies paid to erase it from history. So effective, they buried it. They buried the research, the formulas, the testimonials. They buried the very idea that nature, when properly understood, could outperform any factory-made chemical. What was this secret? A catalyst that revived dead Earth in 30 days. Our story begins before the age of industrial agriculture, in a time of unprecedented discovery. 1938, a silent war began, not over land, but over the fundamental knowledge of soil itself. On one side, a generation of soil scientists and organic pioneers were unlocking the secrets of the earth. On the other, a new and powerful chemical industry saw a different future, one built on dependency. At the heart of this conflict was a natural catalyst that made soil 500% more productive, and it was systematically removed from farming education. It happened quietly, behind closed doors, in the halls of academia and government. Pages vanished, lessons changed. The knowledge they tried to bury is now being rediscovered, and it begins with what they feared most. Discovery 1. The hidden soil microbiome. We were taught to think of soil as dirt, an inert medium to be flooded with synthetic nutrients. This was the great deception. The truth is, healthy soil is alive. This catalyst doesn't feed plants directly. It activates the trillions of beneficial soil microbes that naturally fertilize, protect, and sustain your crops. It's an army of microscopic allies waiting to be awakened. But the business model of the chemical industry requires this army to remain dormant. Their products are designed to replace this natural system, not support it. In fact, chemical fertilizers kill these very microbes. They sterilize the soil, creating a cycle of dependency where more and more chemicals are needed each year just to achieve the same diminishing results. The second rediscovery is just as profound, and it addresses one of the greatest challenges facing our planet today: water scarcity. Discovery 2. The natural water battery. When the soil microbiome is active, it creates a complex structure, a living web of organic matter that acts like a sponge. Treated soil holds up to 300% more water, creating a reservoir that allows plants to survive droughts that would otherwise destroy modern, chemically dependent crops. This isn't just about saving water, it's about building resilience, creating a buffer against an increasingly unpredictable climate. For decades, we've been told the only way to fight pests is with poison. Another profitable lie. This leads us to the third discovery. Discovery 3. The built-in pest defense. A healthy plant, nourished by a living soil, is a strong plant. Its cellular walls are tougher. Its immune system is more robust. It produces natural compounds that repel pests. Plants grown with this catalyst develop a powerful, natural pest resistance that makes expensive and toxic pesticides obsolete. The pests simply aren't interested. They instinctively seek out weaker, unhealthy plants. But perhaps the most shocking discovery of all relates not just to the quantity of food we grow, but its quality. This is the secret that affects every single one of us, every single day. Discovery 4. The forgotten nutrition. The same microbes that feed and protect the plant are also responsible for mining essential minerals from the soil and making them available to the plant. Modern produce, grown in depleted, sterile soil, may look the part, but it is nutritionally hollow. Studies have shown that food grown with this catalyst has up to 400% more essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals than its modern supermarket equivalent. We are literally starving on a full stomach. This wasn't a gradual decline, it was a strategy. Newly unearthed documents show how chemical companies systematically and deliberately removed this knowledge from agricultural schools, extension programs, and government recommendations, starting in the 1940s. They funded university departments, placed their own people on advisory boards, and published their own scientific literature that promoted a chemical-first agenda. The result? A multi-generational catastrophe. Soil that can't hold water, leading to desertification and erosion. Food that can't nourish, contributing to a host of modern health crises. And worst of all, farmers trapped in a vicious and expensive cycle of chemical dependency, often going into debt just to keep their farms afloat. This wasn't an accident. It wasn't progress. It was a business plan. A plan that sacrificed the health of our soil, our food, and our farmers for the sake of quarterly profits. A plan that created lifelong customers by destroying the natural abundance that was our birthright. But they didn't succeed in erasing it completely. A handful of farmers, homesteaders, and gardeners, the keepers of the old ways, kept this knowledge alive, passing it down through generations. They trusted the evidence of their own eyes over the slick marketing of chemical salesmen. Now, modern soil tests prove what they knew all along. This catalyst can revive dead soil in as little as 30 days, without a single drop of chemicals. And here is the most empowering part of this story. You don't need a farm to reclaim this power. You don't need acres of land. A balcony garden, a small backyard plot, even a few pots on a windowsill can produce more real nutrition than a supermarket produce aisle when you use this catalyst. The principles of soil health are universal. The method works at any scale. This knowledge is re-emerging at a critical time. With fragile supply chains, failing food systems, and prices exploding, this is no longer just about gardening. It's about food security. It's about taking back control from a system designed to make you dependent and vulnerable. We've spent years piecing together the original research and validating it with modern science to create a simple, step-by-step system. Starting with just 3 core ingredients you can find locally or online, you can create this soil-activating solution and completely transform your soil in 30 days. This is the key. It's a system, not just a product. It liberates you. No special equipment, no chemical dependency, just a deeper understanding of how nature truly works. They suppressed this knowledge to create customers. They engineered a problem so they could sell you the solution year after year. Now you can reverse their plan. Now you can become your own source of healthy, resilient, and truly nutritious food. This is more than a gardening technique. It's an act of defiance. It's a declaration of independence from a broken system. Your independence begins with reclaiming this forbidden knowledge.